Stay on top of the market and pick the perfect moment to buy or sell with our personalized price alerts. They're so easy to set up. First, tap on Price Alerts in the main menu. Next, tap on New Alert and choose your preferred unit of weight. If you want to know when the gold price is going up, then tap on Goes Over and type in the price based on the unit of weight you've selected. Then just click Save and you're done. If you want to know when the price is going down, then just tap on Goes Under and set your price. All done. You can set up as many alerts as you want in the same way. Don't forget, you can check the price of gold anytime. Just tap on Gold Price at the top of the main screen and you can choose your time frame and your preferred unit of weight. And you don't even need to be logged in. You can also see the gold price from our home screen. You can even set up an alert from here too. Just click on the bell and set up the alert as before.